Good morning. Actually, it's not morning. Good afternoon, beautiful people. I hope you all are having a wonderful day in the beautiful world that we live in. This scary, very, very corrupt world. So, what do? We just try to enjoy it. It's been raining a few days. Haven't really been on the skateboard very much, considering, and I've been at work, so it's kind of hard to do anything. But the sky is somewhat clear. I think today we are going to hit up the Plaza. The Plaza, also known as the Downtown Skate Park in Vancouver. It is under the viaduct. It is under a bridge, so you do get a bit of coverage when it does rain, but you're really limited to what you can skate when there is rain. Anyways, when you're in Vancouver, you gotta understand and know that this is the way it is here. It rains a lot, but very dry summers, which is nice. Anyways, yeah, let's see what the day brings us. That was sick. Woo. Oh. I tell you guys, this shit ain't easy, man. People see this lands of tricks and then you get no likes on a video, and it's like, dude, I spent all day, you know? No, you'll get this. You fucking basically got it. That was it. Oh! Shit! Shit! One day I'll be doing that.
Back nose blood.
Hey, they said the life expectancy is supposed to go up to like 150 apparently. So I'm thinking I can be pro at 60 then. What? It's okay. I fucking went around the bend anyway.
Fucking red sweet.
That was dope. That was a dope fucking trick to show up at the park with.
Slid out when I saved it again.
That was sick. That was fucking sick.
You probably bust a 5-0 nose those, oh?
I nollie 5-0'd this. Yeah. It's fucking...
I like these lenses, dude.
They're good.
Sweet.
Fuck!
Was that a shove or a burial?
That one scared.
Josh, mission number 1. You made it out alive, dude.
It's dry under here. So we waxed this fucking ledge over here.
Oh, you filming?
It's not good.
Wow. It's a sunny day.
It's a sunny day.